So in this video I'll discuss about this week, that is from 1st of July to 5th of July, how market I am predicting and what is my analysis regarding Nifty, Bank Nifty. And I will also discuss about tomorrow's mid cap and Banex expiry. So please stay tuned in this video till the end सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो सब कुछ मैं उसमें बताऊंगी, बेसिकली मार्केट कैसा रिएक्ट कर रहा है, व्हाट विल बी द लेवल्स फॉर टुमारो एक्सपायरी ऑफ द मिड कैप में और बेनेक्स में क्या लेवल्स हो सकते हैं एक्सपायरी के, और निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी का मेनली सपोर्ट एरिया क्या है, कहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं. तो अगर हम बात करें तो we have seen that market is almost in the possibility of consolidation because the market traded almost within a narrow range throughout the day on Friday. And if we say that for Nifty, if we specifically talk about, so it has almost crossed 24,000 levels, and which is, and then it basically, which are the sectors those were involved, like the energy, pharma, metal. So all those ended in positive territory. So we can expect like around 0.5% से 0.9% का gain हो सकता है इसमें. But the support level which I will show in the chart as well, what we expect for Nifty is 23,700 से 23,900 range on any decline. So banking stocks की अगर हम बात करेंगे are currently consolidating, such as IT और जो other sectors हैं जैसे कि IT हुआ, energy हुआ, FMCG हुआ, those are at the index they are higher. So if we talk about similar market dynamics that is anticipated, so we think like based on this kind of levels which are there in the market, we should start planning for them. So let's dive in into charts and see exactly based on the support and resistance price action, how are we expecting Nifty, Bank Nifty, and for tomorrow's expiry. So let's dive into the charts. Let me discuss about the Nifty. So Nifty if we say, तो Nifty का जैसे कि मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया कि जो सपोर्ट लेवल है निफ्टी अभी अपने ऑल टाइम हाई पे है. सो व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्ट इज़ दैट 23,700 या 23,900 इज़ द फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट, एंड बिलो दिस विल बी समवेयर अराउंड दिस लेवल. This one in a 15-minute time frame, if you see somewhere around this level, I would consider the Nifty ka the second level of resistance. And if we talk about all time high, definitely Nifty is above 24,150 levels will be something I would expect. Nifty will create a new high at this level. So for this week, what I am expecting, that might be the market can go into consolidation, or we can see a new high. The possibilities are there. Might be this week can be a little bit of consolidation based on how the stocks are performing. So second one is the Bank Nifty. So if we talk about Bank Nifty, see Bank Nifty also the major banks like the HDFC, ICICI, they have been performing very well. तो उसके हिसाब से हम देख सकते हैं कि बैंक निफ्टी ने भी अपना, देखिए यहाँ पर जो मैंने ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ की थी, ऑलमोस्ट अपना ऑल टाइम हाई टच किया हुआ है, बट आफ्टर दैट बैंक निफ्टी केम डाउन. सो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सम काइंड ऑफ मोर करेक्शन इन बैंक निफ्टी. सो वी कैन सी सम काइंड ऑफ डाउनफॉल इन बैंक निफ्टी इन दिस वीक. तो यहाँ पर हो सकता है कि थोड़ा बहुत और 52 लेवल्स के नीचे, सो 50 बिलो 52,000 वी कैन सी सम मोर फॉल इन बैंक निफ्टी, बिकॉज जो हाई जाना था आप देख सकते हैं कि इसके बाद मार्केट बैंक निफ्टी जो है वो सस्टेन नहीं कर पाया, एंड इट हैज़ ऑलमोस्ट फॉलन फ्रॉम इट्स सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट as well. So that's what I'm expecting, that we can see more correction in bank nifty. Now let's see about the mid cap for tomorrow. कल की एक्सपायरी के लिए मिड कैप देख लेते हैं. तो मिड कैप का जो है ऑलमोस्ट यू कैन सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न मिड कैप. आई ऑलवेज से कि मिड कैप के जो प्रीमियम्स का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है एक्सपायरी के डेट में. सो आई वुड से ट्रेड विथ अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस. so you can see here what kind of pattern. So what I'm expecting mid cap is that, see, since it will almost behave same as like nifty, so क्योंकि अगर निफ्टी में we get some kind of correction, so might be in mid cap also this will hold as a support level. So 12,200, if tomorrow we get a opening above this, then definitely this will work as a first level of support for mid cap, and this is going to be 12,300 is going to be a first level of resistance. So you can trade accordingly based on the price action. So this is for the mid cap. Now let's see for the Banex. So Banex as will same as the bank nifty. So that's what I have discussed. I expect some kind of correction in Banex as well. Might be we can see some kind of more fall in Banex if Banex opens below 50 this one 59,500, we can see some kind of correction in Banex and it can go below down. But if it opens above this level, so consider this as your support 1 and trade with this strict stop loss, like if you are buying or in the long side with 60,450 and above will be a stop loss for this. So trade with this kind of risk management, because Banex and Midcap both are very volatile index and might be we can see some kind of movements. Basically price action के movement से ज़्यादा है जो option premiums हैं, those can be little bit more erratic, so the movement can be little bit, so you have to be cautious. So this is all for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the Banex and Midcap. So I hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.